Hi, I'm Stephen Foskett from blog.foskets.net and Tech Field Day, and I'm here with my good friend Howard Marks at the Scale Computing booth. Howard, I hear that you have heard of scale computing.
I have.
Well, what do you think?
So Scale brings the hyperconvergence trend of integrating both storage and compute into a single appliance down to a price point that SMBs can handle. Some of the other guys in this market have impressive performance, but the entry-level price is well over $100,000. For substantially less than that, an SMB or a branch office can get a small number of Scale appliances, use that to provide both their storage on a scale-out basis and their compute environment, run their virtual machines in it. When their needs increase, add another node. I think it's a great model. It really simplifies things for the SMB IT guy who doesn't have enough time to learn a storage system, a network system, a server, and a hypervisor, and everything's just one process to learn.
How do you think it's going to perform? I mean, you're the testing guy, you're the storage testing guy. I know you haven't gotten your chance to get your hands on it yet. What is your expectation, just looking at the system as it is?
Well, I mean, I expect it to, since we're typically talking about a cluster of 4 or so nodes, there's enough spinning disks there to provide a reasonable number of IOPS to support 50 to a couple of hundred users.
Which is pretty much what they're promising.
Right. I wouldn't run, it doesn't have the flash that I would want to run 10,000 VDI users on it, but it doesn't cost what the system that has that flash in it does either. I think what they've done a good job at keeping the performance, the cost, and the target market all in line.
Okay, yeah, and that's probably wiser than trying to make something that's, technically, the best possible high-performance storage system.
Well, and then it just becomes unaffordable. Much as I would love to have a Mercedes S-Class, I drive a Volkswagen because it provides a perfectly good ride and gets me where I'm going and costs a quarter as much.
So this is the Volkswagen?
This is the Volkswagen.
All right, there you have it. This is the Volkswagen in your metaphor. Perfectly good car and costs a quarter as much.
Yep.
All right, well, thanks, Howard. And these videos are posted at techfieldday.com and blog.foskets.net. And you can find Howard where?
At deepstorage.net and networkcomputing.com.
Excellent.